Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdurrahman, and I am with my teammates Mariam and Amna. And this project is called Sentiment Text Analysis. The point of this project is to see if a text or a URL is negative, positive, or neutral. Um, so in this text, which is a Wikipedia about mathematics, it's neutral because it's talking about math and it's neither positive nor negative. And there's no like positive words like happy, and there's no negative words like wound. And usually Wikipedias are neutral texts. Um, and then there's an so basically polarity, it's if there's a neutral text, positive or negative. So 0 is neutral, -1 is negative, and 1 is positive. So in this text it's neutral because it says 0.138, so that's neutral. So now this is a really negative um it's a negative text because it has a bunch of really n- not good uh, keywords like died, victim, gunshots, wounds, traumatic, shooting, and yeah, with all those negative keywords, it's going to be really negative. So yeah, see, it's 0.0.0.0 minus 0.057. So yeah, that's a really negative text.